the system of Panch Parmeshwar. Earlier we have the system of Panch Parmeshwar. 5 लोग बैठते थे, वो डिसाइड करते थे. And what was that vidhan? That was the vidhi ka vidhan. And what is the vidhi ka vidhan? That is the samyak vidhan. That is the samvidhan. So this is samvidhan is different. Unfortunately, we don't have the exact word for the samvidhan. We don't have the word for brahmacharya. We don't have the word for dharma. We don't have from word for yoga, etc. My lord. I also consider, my lord, there is, my lord, frequently said all religions are same. Not at all. Not at all. My third page is the 5 tenets of religions. I have given the 5 tenets of all the religions, my lord. Totally different. This is Ramayana. There is not a single sentence. You follow Ramayana, you pray Lord Ram. If you will not follow Ramayana, will not pray Lord Ram, you will go to Naraka. No, not at all. This is, my lord, विष्णु पुराण. एक वाक्य नहीं लिखा है कि केवल भगवान विष्णु ही पूजा योग्य है, विष्णु पुराण को ही मानो, अगर नहीं मानोगे तो नरक में जाओगे. नहीं लिखा है. ये भगवत गीता, एक सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है, भगवत गीता को मानो, कृष्ण को मानो, नहीं करोगे तो नरक में जाओगे.
You are going beyond the subject and issue being discussed by every one of us. You said 52 alphabets in Sanskrit, one of the finest language in the world.
Yes, my lord.
Similarly,
Yes.
Tamil has 247.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
So
yes.
don't go into all those areas.
No. What I am,
Confine yourself to the point in issue.
my point is, my lord,
Yes.
if we will interpret the constitution in English, then today we have the 9 judges bench, tomorrow we have 11. No in. If we will interpret, considering it as Samvidhan, and what is the meaning, then we have different.
In Kannada, there are 52. So therefore, don't
Yes,
go
yes,
into-
no. All the Indians, sorry.
See, all
I am
are equal. Doctrine of
I am sorry.
55.
I am sorry. All the Indian language have the 52.
Don't go into
52 alphabet.
superiority in the court of law, please.
No, my last submission is this is Durga Sapsati. एक शब्द सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है, केवल दुर्गा जी की पूजा करो, दुर्गा सप्तशती पढ़ो, नहीं तो नरक में चले जाओगे. आर्य समाज, also denomination, not a single sentence. Please follow Arya Samaj. Please follow. Very important, my lord.
Sorry,
Quit all this.
we have to stop you.
Yes,
It's not a public
please,
platform.
interpretation.
My submission is this: dharma and religion is not same, and all religions also not same. Entire world is burning due to religious conflict. Bharat was divided in 25 countries due to denomination conflict, religious conflict. So my submission is this, my lord.
Time is over, Mr. Upadhyay.
Yes. Now I will do only conclusion. Just see, my lord, conclusion. The conclusion, my lord, at page number 12. Article 25 is expressly subject to all other fundamental rights because it's conferred a novel right to propagate religion on individuals, unlike any of the nations from which we adopted our constitution. Article 26 does not confer right to propagate religion on religious denominations. The intent of the framer was never to grant right to propagate religion to religious denomination in light of the damage that was done by them before and during the 1947 partition and massive massacre. Article 26 is impliedly subject to the other provisions of Part 3 of the Constitution, like the other. Now, my lord, next conclusion on Sabrimala case, my lord. There are lakhs of mosques, but the Makkah, Medina have a distinct sanctity. There are lakhs of churches, but Jerusalem church has a distinct sanctity. There are thousands of Shiv temples, but Bharat Jyotirlings have distinct sanctity, my lord. There are lakhs of goddess temple, but 51 Shaktipeeths have distinct sanctity. Thousands of Jain mandirs, but the temples made on the birthplace of the 24 Tirthankar have different sanctity, my lord. Similarly, my lord, there are 1500 Sabrimala temple, but this temple has a distinct sanctity because no, Vice my lord.
That's what you're saying.
I am saying that restriction on 10 to 50 is reasonable. So that's why I'm here, my lord. Because lordships are deciding the 7 questions of law. And I am supporting the Sabrimala case, my lord. That's why I'm this side.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you, Mr.
just, my lord, one conclusion, my lord. I'm only reading only conclusion out only, my lord. My lord, just see the page of 25. Conclusion.
Yes.
Article 30 was conceived by a framers of the Constitution as a response to the specific anxiety of minority communities, particularly in the shadow of partition, that the majority, through the instrument of state educational policy, might systematically erode minority languages.
Going to Article 30, that is not. the
Because
subject matter of-
well, some argument was there that this is the, so I'm skipping his lordship said that.
You are not responding to arguments. You are only giving your
Then my
own
lord,
point.
just see the dharma last page as page 35.
Now you have beautifully explained to us. We understood that.
My lord, the
Beyond
conclusion,
religion, you said. Yes, sir.
dharma cannot be translated as a religion. Constitutional provisions touching upon dharma must be interpreted with the conscious awareness of that distinction. Dharma is universal, reason-based, inclusive, ecologically balanced framework of duty conduct available to every human being, regardless of creed. It demands conduct, not belief, and draws to the boundary between believers and non-believers. Religion, as the term is understood in tradition from which its constitutional usage derives, is traditional bound, text anchored, community specific, and structurally exclusive. Its boundary between the faithful and the faithless has historically been a source of conflict and injustice. The Constitution is in foundational commitment, a dharmic document. Constitutional protections,
We got it.
I am only
You
saying,
fully argued on behalf of the respondent.
well, just see.
Thank you.
Dharma gives liberty of thought, liberty of belief, liberty of faith, liberty of worship. Religion does not. Dharma says, Vasdhev Kutumbakam, Nari tu Narayani, Sarva Mangal Mangale, Sive Sarva Sadhike, Yato Dharmas Tato Jaya. Religion does not. Religion says, if you are in my
So,
area,
Swadhyaya, every religion has its own dharma.
Malat,
Yes.
with utmost respect, Malat,
Don't think that.
All right, we heard it.
all the religions don't give
Right, yes.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam concept, don't give one earth, one family concept, don't give Janni Janmabhumisha concept, don't
Counsel,
give
they have-
Sarva Mangal Mangale
That
concept.
is understanding. Please,
Kindly
please,
understand your
please
responsibility.
don't argue like this. Leave it there. Yes.
Malat,
This is
It's
absolutely,
not a, it's not in good taste.
Malat,
Leave
it may be some bitter
No,
truth.
please, it's
It
not-
may be some bitter truth.
absolutely not, Mr. Counsel. You have to understand the scope of this argument.
Don't, with the limited understanding, please don't.
Malat.
Leave it at that. Or we heard
I'm
it.
only saying
Yes.
Article 25 and 26 gives freedom of religion, not freedom of dharma. Article 24, Article 14, 15, 16, 17, 28, 18 is the promote dharma. Article 19, dharma with some restrictions. Article 21 is dharma. Only Article 24 and 25 and 26 gives freedom of religion. Other rights, other fundamental rights are in the nature of dharma. So please keep in this mind, Malla. So
So
this is my
the
humble
order of
request.
things will go, only the religious rights will not be upheld.
No.
Already we heard. it.
I am saying this Article 25 and 26 is the most restricted right. Most restricted.
We understood your argument is that rest of the fundamental rights are emanating from dharma.
Yes,
Therefore, they have wider contour,
yes.
they have wider meaning, and they are comparatively very stronger rights as compared to very restricted
Yes,
right
sir.
in 25.
Because it was argued
Because
that Article 26 has some different
Understood.
island. It was said Article 25, 26 is higher than even 25.
Thank you.
I am saying no.
Thank you, Mr.
Oblige,
Kapoor.
Malak.
Thank you.
Oblige.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, Mr. Dinesh, yes. 2 minutes, please.
My lord's already granted me 10 minutes.
Just take the mic and state start.
I will not repeat any single word which I argued by senior colleagues. It's altogether totally new points.
Take the
And my
mic.
lord, my submission.
Start straight to the point.
Yes,
And
my lord.
no reference to any note, etc.
Yes, my lord.
We will examine note. We have a lot of vacations,
Excuse me.
partial working days.
Partial working, partial vacation, partial working.
My lords, my submission, the crux of my submission, my lords.
You
If,
take the mic first of all, you and state start. Keep them here.
yes, my lords.
Don't give it. Yes.
My lords, if these rituals and custom is nothing to do with the religious cruelty. As observed by Justice Indu Malhotra in para 8. Then, my lords, the scope of judicial review is very less. My lords, may kindly come to page 76 of my note. Page 76 of my note.
Yes, please read that.
My lord, I will read.
Only one line, with
Where is your
punch
note?
line.
Where is your note, please?
My lord, page 76, para 3. It says that it is extracted from the judgment. The difficulty lies in applying the test under Article 14 to religious practices, which are also protected as fundamental rights under our Constitution. The right to equality claimed by the British under Article 14 conflicts with the rights of worshippers of this shrine, which is also fundamental right guaranteed by Articles 25, 26 of the Constitution. It would compel the court to undertake judicial review under Article 14 to delineate the rationality of the religious beliefs or practices, which would be outside the ken of the courts. It is not for the courts to determine which of these practices of faith are to be struck down, except if they are pernicious, oppressive, or social evil like sati. So therefore, my lords, this is a dissenting judgment. This was my first layer of my argument for 5 judges bench, my lords. Now, my lord.